Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. In this episode, I'll be unboxing our April 2021 Turtle Wax Takeover glove box while giving you some tips and tricks to maximize your waxing experience. All coming up on this episode. Okay, besides the amazing TW merch you receive in your April glove box, you also receive their limited edition ceramic plus graphene paste wax. What is this? This is 10 waxes with infused SiO2 and also infused graphene. Well done by the chemist over there, Mike, and the whole Turtle Wax team. You know, our first reaction is always, and I don't suggest this, we shouldn't be smelling all the chemicals. However, when it comes to waxes and certain sprays, you want a good aroma. And it smells, it's got like this fruity smell to it. Make sure you comment below and let me know what you guys think it smells like. I can't put my finger on it, but it's pleasant. So it's almost like this fruity smell. So, with that being said, how do we apply this, and what's the difference? When you start hearing ceramic and the talk of graphene, you wonder if you have to be a professional to be able to apply this, and that's not the case. I think Turtle Wax wanted to bring back the easiness of traditional paste wax, but also give you the new technology with graphene and ceramic, and they knocked it out of the park with this. So what does that mean to us? This means that you can apply it just like you would your traditional paste wax without worrying about high spots like when you apply ceramic or graphene. And also, if you aren't in the best environment where, you know, in here I like to keep it around 45% humidity, around 68 degrees. And if you're working in your garage with wind, dust, and it's a little bit hotter, a little bit colder, you can't always work with those ceramic and graphenes. But now you can with this. So, how I do this, check my applicator pad that also came in the curated Turtle Wax Takeover box. Just like you guys see me do all the time with my microfibers, just checking, making sure there's no debris on here that could damage our paint surface. My first prime application, I'm making sure to get all the edges very well. Just getting complete coverage over my applicator pad. Now this stuff is going to go a long way. This right here, I think it's going to be around $34 US and then about 30 pounds. So this tub will probably do about anywhere from 8 to 15 vehicles, depending on the size of the vehicle, of course. A lot goes a long way. So my first prime, I'm gonna put a lot on there, keep it kind of heavy, but after that I'm just doing a little dab and watch. Now I see a lot of people that do circles, overlapping motions, which is completely fine if that's what you prefer. I like to go straight, horizontal and vertical, back and forth, even coverage. And if I see it start diminishing a little bit, meaning I'm leaving some spots that don't have product, reapply. Back and forth. And now I'm going to go in the other direction, up and down, just ensuring that I got every area of that painted surface. Very easy to apply. And now when you see me get close to this badge, here's my trick for you, number one for you guys. I put my fingers on the edge of the pad, and that's what's going to rub up against the edge or up against the edges, so I'm not actually putting product into that badge itself. And what I'll also do is when I get close to there and I do put product, what am I going to do about really close to that badge? Am I going to have protection on there? I'm going to flip my pad over to the side that doesn't have product, slowly push a little bit there. This will ensure that I'm not having product build up around the badges or around the edges. So now that I have this nice and covered, let me pull you guys in. We'll work on this bonnet together. I'll do that side and let you see a little bit closer, and I'll let you see a little bit closer how I work around badges. Okay, now that I applied the product, I let it sit for about 5 to 6 minutes. What I usually like to do with a traditional paste wax is break the car in threes. You know, my front hood, front bumper, fenders, mirror caps, one section. My next section is my doors, top, and my third section is the rear. Always keeping in mind, working from top to bottom in each section. Always out of direct sunlight if you can. And now let's go ahead and remove this product. It's not gonna haze up or get chalky. It's gonna haze up a little. It's not gonna get super chalky like older traditional waxes that we're used to years ago. So, also included in the curated kit, 2 towels. This was not in the kit, but this is trick and tip number 2. When I'm removing wax of any sort, I like to use spray wax or some kind of detail spray. That we have right here, the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating. And why I do this is because it helps prevent towel drag, and then also just, in my mind, it makes me think that I'm adding a little bit of protection. I'm gonna be wiping it anyways, why not make that process as easy as possible, but also add protection if I'm able to. So with ceramics and graphene, you can't do that. With this, you can, since this is also the ceramic paste wax is also considered a topper, meaning I can top this with something else, or I can top it with itself. No cure time, so I can go and drive when I'm done with this. So if I wanted to, I bring my car back and I'm going to do my weekly wash. In my detail therapy session, I can add another layer of this. I could just keep stacking if I wanted to. Now by itself, here in the Midwest, typically, depending on where you store your vehicle or how much you drive it, you're gonna get about a year of protection after one application and proper maintenance throughout the year. However, 15 to 30 minutes of your whole car, why not just add it to it? So, trick tip number 2, spray. 2 little sprays on my 1 towel. I'm gonna take that towel and just lightly wipe up. Very easy. Even without the spray, just to note, it is easy to wipe up this product. Again, I just like no towel drag. Just add a little bit extra protection. So this is my first wipe. I'm gonna grab my second towel, always checking, and just buff that to a shine. That's amazing. It's that easy. Okay, let me pull you guys in close. We'll do that side together with a little tip and trick. And it's that easy. Now this MP412C HS, which I'd like to add, there's only been 10 produced, looks even more amazing. And a special shout out to Turtle Wax for inviting us in on the 75th birthday celebration. Not only did you give us great hospitality, but you also got these products in all of our subscribers' hands. And you gave us a special shout out during the release party. But instead of me talking about it, why don't you hear it for yourself?
We are also very excited to say that this kit is also available through an exciting partnership with our friends at GloveBox. GloveBox members, as of March 1st, 2021, will be receiving this entire kit as their April box, courtesy of Turtle Wax and GloveBox. GloveBox is an amazing online auto detailing product subscription company serving the US and Canada with its main headquarters in Chicago, just like Turtle Wax. We are so excited to partner with them to give this kit away to their members.